Morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing all right. So today we're hitting up the junkyard. Actually, we're already here. And after that session with the dyno, I think the transmission took a shit. I don't have a second gear, so I'm in the junkyard looking for a fucking swap. I'm not gonna lie, I already know the transmission that I'm looking for is right here. We're gonna do a 4L80 swap, but I came yesterday and checked it. The only problem is that I checked and I found, I came to the junkyard yesterday to scope out the scene. Found one, but what I didn't check for is the oil to see if it's burnt or not. It's on one of these Savannas, so I mean the transmission looks beefy as hell, but who knows why that van is right here. So we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully it's not burnt. All right, gang, so check it. I'm gonna be pulling it from this van right here. And so just real quick, because some shit just happened. Like, they just opened up and some shit's already happening. Check it. I was in here, there was a seat right here, and then there was a cover. Let me see. This is the seat that I just took out. And that cover right there was covering the backside of the engine right here. So I was taking the seat off because I couldn't remove the cover without the seat, with the seat on here. So I took it off, and then I hear somebody, working. I thought it was homie over here on the other side. And then I look down here, and then this dude is working on the fucking on the truck. I'm like, hey, what are you taking? He's like, the transmission. I'm like, no. I'm taking the transmission. He's like, no, I'm taking the transmission. I was like, you got me fucked up. You're not taking the transmission. So homie's excuse was that he took the cover, the bell housing cover, from the transmission, and that automatically made it his. He said he did that yesterday, which, mind you, yesterday, I think I mentioned this early on the video. Yesterday I came and I scoped out the place. I found this transmission that was already off. I'm talking about, I mean, he could have come before that, but I got here like at 3 p.m. That wasn't on already. He could have very well have taken it off. I'm not saying he couldn't have, but that does not automatically make it yours. You got me fucked up. And I told him, bro, if you really wanted this shit, you should have just come early. I came here early as fuck in the morning, and I saw that nobody was here. I came and I got it. Bro, I got my fucking jacks. I brought my house jack. I brought my fucking my jack stand. And his excuse was that because I was taking off the seat and the cover for the back of the engine, he thought I was working on the top. Homie, how the fuck are you gonna say that when I have all this equipment right here? You stupid as fuck. All right, y'all, so fast forward, and we are just about there. Transmission, flex plate separated. I needed to use these. I actually stole these from the neighbor fucking truck, and because this is it's too tall, couldn't reach it. But it's time to bring it down. The only issue right now is only way to take that shit out is probably separating or taking off the manifold, but I'm gonna try to see if I can do it without doing that, because that's gonna be an issue. Yeah. I'll come back with you guys when this bitch is on the floor. All right, so successful day. We got the transmission, as you guys already know. And I mean, well, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna check to see if this thing is any good. I think I'm gonna have to drain the oil on this thing, but I wish I could put it somewhere like up high so I can take off the oil pan, but I don't know. Anyways, but for now, I think I'm gonna pressure wash it and have it cleaned up before I throw it on the truck. Luckily, I came up on this. I mean, really, I don't need this, but I might be using this for like mock-up or something. But I also know that the shops where I get the torque converters worked on, they want the core, and I also got the yoke, the slip yoke. I got it in there. Luckily, there was some cookies, and they had a big ass hammer, and I was able to punch that thing out. I actually sacrificed one of my sockets for that thing, but yeah, I mean, I think it's all right to come up on it. And also, this thing, I don't know what the hell this thing is. Obviously it says U-Haul. The thing did look like it was from U-Haul. I'm guessing like this is probably the tracker or something. I don't know. I have no idea. If you guys know what this thing is, put it down below. I might just take it off and open it up and see what's in there. I mean, obviously there's gonna be a bunch of like a motherboard or something. I don't know. But for now, it's just clean up and get it ready for the truck. So yeah, much needed 4L80 to go on the Blazer, because I already knew that the 4L70 was gonna go out, which at this moment I don't know if it's 100% out. My boy Hobby, he said he's gonna try to come and see if the what do you call it, if the valve bodies are opening for second gear, because the oil is actually not burnt. Like, it's not burnt, like it smells good, and it's red. So I don't know what's up with that. I'm gonna have to see what is up with that, but nevertheless, I'm still gonna need this transmission, and hopefully I don't have to rebuild it, because I really do need a small win right now. Anyways, I'm gonna call it a day right here, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the transmission right here on the rock, and I'm just gonna pressure wash the living but Jesus out of it. So I'm not gonna record that, so deuces.